Hello Gucci's fam, how you all doing? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be doing some prepping of food. We are prepping varieties of food here in this video today. My beautiful uncle, yes, I have a lot of uncles. One of my favorite uncles, we are getting ready for his birthday. So I have a place where I usually order for all of these beautiful stuffs. So I ordered for, red snapper fish, tilapia fish, and my mackerel fish. A lot of times I use mackerel for some kind of meal prep, so even if I don't finish it, I keep it for other recipes. So here I have my protein. I'm cutting them down and I'm going to start by marinating. So guys, let's get right into the video. Here I started marinating my fish because we don't have so much time. I have a lot of things to cook in less than few hours, and we have to go and deliver this food to my uncle's house, and then we're all going to stay for the party. So here guys, I have added my paprika, my black peppers, my fish seasoning and salt, just to get my fish well seasoned. And I have some green herbs. You all know my green herbs. I think I'll be showing you my green herbs recipe very soon on this channel, in case you want to know how I go about marinating my fish, my meat, and all that for my special cooking for like special occasions. Go to my channel. You will see a fish video on how I marinate my fish and how I marinated this fish, in case you want to. And then if you want to know how I marinate my chicken for parties and for special cooking occasions, I have that on my channel as well. So do me well, go watch those videos. I'm sure you're going to enjoy that you did. And yeah, everything came out so beautifully well. I started making my stew. Here I have gone ahead, even as I'm prepping the fish, I've started making the stew for jollof rice, and yeah, the jollof rice was ready and it came out so delicious. Yes guys, yes guys, yes guys. Guys, I'm so sorry about the television that was on. I forgot to tell them to put it off. Our jollof is ready. Everybody's ready. This jollof looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. I like when my jollof rice have all those particles of peppers and so on. I like it so much. Tomatoes, it's so good. Guys, see that rice as it's standing 1-1. 1-1. Wow. I like jollof a lot. We like jollof a lot. I'm about to deal with the bump part now.
That the APC presidential candidate is deprived of what they allege is a humongous war chest.
So good, guys.
To achieve any one or
so we'll go ahead and
objectives. Number one,
bring it down.
To create a nationwide shortage of cash, so that citizens are incited to vote against APC candidates across the board, resulting
and get with other things
for the party in all the elections. Number two, ensure that the cash crunch is so serious, along with the contrived and endemic fuel shortage existing.
Guys, go and try this rice, man.
That the 2023 election
that stew is so good. I didn't need to add any other thing.
To be led by a retired army general.
Right?
Number three, sustain
it came out so good.
Shortage of fuel, food and other necessities, leading to mass protests, violence and
it's so good. Guys, I'm so sorry about this television noise, please. We're starting with the soup right now. This soup tastes so delicious. Oh my goodness. This tastes so good, guys. Wow. This is good. Okra. Yeah, guys. We have, yeah. This is birthday. This is birthday soup, guys. I'm just making this for my uncle. His birthday is today, so just going to be celebrating him. So we have made this delicious upon soup. When we get there, look at how thick, with all of those brothers and sisters speaking heavenly language. You guys, this soup is good. This soup is so delicious. Can you see how beautiful, guys? Please give your girl a thumbs up. Share our videos to your friends and loved ones. So guys, this next soup is afan soup. Just adding my stockfish. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And please share our videos to your friends and loved ones. Please turn on your notification bell. I've added my dried fish. I've added basically everything. I just added my stockfish last because I don't want it to break into pieces. So I'll add my water leaf. So you can be the first to get notified anytime we upload new videos. Thank you. So here's my water leaf. This is water leaf, like really real water leaf. So guys, I've gone ahead to add some extra oil. I've added some onion. I'm going to add the okazi, which is the afan. I have a lot of afan recipe. Go and check my afan recipe if you want to know how I made this soup. This is just me trying to do a lot of cooking for the family. You know, family gathering today. My uncle's birthday. I'm going to stir everything together and our afan soup is ready, guys. I don't want it to turn black. Yeah. So guys, this is it for our afan soup. Afan soup is ready. Very delicious. Our afan soup is ready. Delicious afan soup. See all those beautiful cuties inside this afan soup. If you use beef, shaki and all assorted meat for afan, oh my goodness, you will eat and eat and eat and eat. It's always very delicious, guys. Go and try. For my ofaku sauce, I'm going to be doing ofaku. So this grilled, I'm going to chop them into some pieces and put them in the juice, the palm kernel juice rather. I'm trying to make sure, yeah, oh yeah, trying to make sure I don't add some deaths. Thank you all. Guys, I still have a lot to do. See you in another video.